Health benefits of carrot juice. Carrot juice is an amazing and healthful way to start the day. Although just a cup of veggies, it is surprisingly pleasant, especially when served cold. Carrot juice is low in sugar, high in vitamin C, and has a somewhat sweeter flavor than its green juice rivals. You'll receive a slew of health benefits by including carrot juice in your diet. 1. Boost your metabolism. Carrot juice can dramatically rev up your metabolism. Because it's also rather filling, it's ideal for individuals who want to drink something sweet while yet keeping a healthy weight. It also helps to speed up your metabolism by increasing the release of bile. 2. Improves eyesight. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, a strong antioxidant that is a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A improves good eyesight by strengthening the surface of the eye. Carrots also contain lutein, an antioxidant that protects the eyes from damaging light and provides a variety of eye health advantages. 3. Reduce your chances of getting cancer. Carrots are high in antioxidants, which help prevent cell damage which can cause abnormal cells and cancer. Consuming non-starchy vegetables such as carrots may reduce the chance of getting malignancies of the mouth, esophagus, lung, and stomach. Carrot consumption has been associated with a low risk of breast and colorectal cancer. 4. Encourage a healthy pregnancy. Carrot juice is high in calcium, folate, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin A, which are all essential nutrients for a growing infant. Calcium aids in the development of strong bones and cartilage in the baby. Pregnant or breastfeeding women need at least 1,000 milligrams of calcium per day. Folate reduces the likelihood of problems during embryonic development. Vitamins A and C also act as antioxidants, protecting the baby and mother from free radicals and thereby lowering the chance of illness. 5. Strengthen immune system. With just 8 ounces of juice a day, carrots are abundant in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help your immune system fight infections. 6. Support a healthy heart. Carrot juice is a great beverage for a healthy heart since it is high in potassium. If you're searching for a natural way to decrease your blood pressure, include carrot juice in your diet. 7. Improve your skin's appearance. Carrot juice contains vitamin C, which aids in skin healing and rejuvenation. Wounds heal faster and the look of skin conditions such as rashes and psoriasis improve with a daily glass of carrot juice. Carrot's beta-carotene also helps to reduce skin irritation. 8. Boost your mental capacity. Carrot juice's beta-carotene improves brain function and lessens the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Beta-carotene may also aid in the prevention of brain cell damage. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.